Ever wondered if Wrike, that popular project management tool, has an API? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. Imagine having the power to automate tasks, integrate Wrike with other tools, and customize your workflow to the T. That's where an API comes in. But does Wrike offer this flexibility? Let's find out. Section 1. What is an API? Definition. An API, or application programming interface, is like a bridge between two software applications. It allows them to communicate and exchange data. Example, think of an API as a waiter in a restaurant. You, the user, place an order, send a request, and the waiter, API, communicates with the kitchen, the other application, to fulfill your order, return a response. Section 2. Wrike's API. A quick overview. Confirmation. Yes, Wrike does indeed have an API. Key features. RESTful API. This means it uses HTTP methods, get, post, put, delete, to interact with Wrike's data. Authentication. Wrike uses OAuth 2.0 for secure authentication, ensuring your data is protected. Extensive functionality. You can create, update, delete tasks, projects, folders, and more using the API. Benefits of using Wrike's API. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks like creating projects, assigning tasks, and updating statuses. Integration. Connect Wrike with other tools like CRM systems, time tracking software, and more. Customization. Build custom workflows and applications tailored to your specific needs. Section 3. Getting started with Wrike's API. Prerequisites. A Wrike account. Basic programming knowledge, especially JavaScript, Python, or Ruby. A code editor or IDE. Steps. Create an API token. Log in to your Wrike account, go to Settings, and generate an API token. Choose a programming language. Select a language that you're comfortable with and install the necessary libraries or SDKs. Make API calls. Use the API documentation to construct HTTP requests and send them to Wrike's API endpoints. Handle responses. Parse the responses from Wrike's API and use them in your application. Section 4. Practical use cases. Example 1. Automating task creation. Demonstrate how to use the API to automatically create tasks based on data from an external source, e.g., a Google form. Example 2. Integrating with a CRM system. Show how to sync contacts and deals between Wrike and a CRM system like Salesforce. Example 3. Building a custom dashboard. Explain how to create a custom dashboard in Wrike using the API to visualize project data in a specific way. Section 5. Tips and best practices. Rate limiting. Be aware of Wrike's rate limits to avoid exceeding the allowed number of API calls. Error handling. Implement proper error handling in your code to gracefully handle unexpected responses. Security. Protect your API token and ensure your application is secure. Community and resources. Refer to Wrike's developer documentation and community forums for help and support. So, does Wrike have an API? Absolutely. We explored what an API is, how Wrike's API works, and some practical use cases. If you're ready to take your Wrike experience to the next level, start experimenting with the API today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.